Me breed without bed. When me have baby, me not have bed. And the rotten mouth man granny put me out her house. If I fling back myself on the moon and I lie down on the ground, power mattress. And that's why anybody big man team me give them. I remember when me I come from before me reach me I go, me never be ungrateful. He said me and a gifter fall out over here, me in a class a gifter. Brother black them and keep it moving because you can't buy the hands that blood clot feed you. You never know. You can't buy the hands that feed in their life. When me bring the Chantal, me never have bed. And a boy never put me on me there. No boy never put me on me there, no boy. But compare, me take judgment, me take all type of shit for them reach me the boy. Never put me on me there, so my boy moving foot, you see me a drop? Foot has been moving, see me dropping? Me walk away, see me a drop? Father God, never seen a blood clot, kind-hearted, amazing individual for me realize that wake up, you deserve so much more in a life that you don't even know Rose. Yeah. That's why I'm saying Akeem. You deserve, and I care what you say about him. Me will never forget. You never forget, never. Yeah. Cause someday they with some man, them salt. Them salt. Salt. And someday you find some man and them lucky. Yeah. Me will never blood clot forget. When the blood clot, me I go back in a punkus pan pankas for. You must think, me I just think say me a mascot. You think me a mascot? Couldn't take back some boy in my life chat. You must say mad me. Not Rosealee. I have to be somebody different. Maybe some boy, you're so mad me. Blood clot salt boy will salt you up from now till next year. You buy one sorry. You buy 1 pound of rice and them can never buy. You buy 1 pound of rice. You buy 1 pound of rice and 1 pound of chicken. And them if they can't find the pussy clad seasoning, salt and blood clad me. Me have a left a make a hang here. Me have a left some salt boy. You think me a mascot? You have to left some salt blood clot boy. Me come first all next year them time you salt like ultra blood clot bitch. Yeah. Cause when blood clot me when me meet Akeem, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. And when me and him create pan ya, I see the light at the end of blood clot tunnel. I say, alright then. I see where this is going. I see improvement. Me see a lot of things where someone don't say I see because when I already don't say the boy no want me. Like me care. Anyway, me see moving from a sad person to victory. Ever throw flowers give them? Because when you're building an empire can't when you're building an empire, one somebody can do a business. When you do a business, you have more than one shareholder. You watch Empire, you moving them Empire, a Lucius and Cookie where behind a successful woman, you find a successful man. And being a successful man, you find a blood clot successful woman. And then put together and create an empire. That's so cool, boy. They never have that. So when I meet some good people, you ever just hold them in your corner. And when you have some sad people, just let them go. Like we have some friend, you have some friend who just call them not. You have some friend who just call the phone, you know. Them not ask you, hey, watch it there, watch it. Them call it. Me ears and appear mix up. All things. You good? Yeah, some friend appear mix up them call it. When I mix up them call them salt. And that's why I tell you, I tell Attack all the time. You say, if I have a friend, you call me to know my business, I don't want a friend from you. Let me tell you my business because it's my own. But go back down to memory lane. Me listen to people and my like friend way have my back. You only can voice your opinion on a situation. You cannot tell your friend what to do. When me do that bad, when me do bad throat, come no one call I name. When me do bad throat, rotten throat. And chop up on my hand and when chan. See that? And chop up on my hand and chan about 2 or 3 months. About 2 months. I'm a call Toto. I'm say Toto boy, what me for do? Before that, I post it on Facebook. I say my man, my baby father chop my hand, what me for do? Toto tell me say me feel left him. When me I do this, so girly I eat that, me sit down same way. The man beat me come and the man beat me blood clot come. When me call to the photo, I say we have to say Junior now, listen now, let me tell left the boy, left him friend we had do that, me sit down 11 year off blood clotter. If I'm chopping on my hand, I'm tell my blood class friend. Cause I never thought that story before. I him alone know it. That's why someone don't know, someone no, not but me my blood clad friend them. After I'm chopping and I'm tell my blood clad friend, I still 11 years after with him. Finally leave. And it takes one person for what my eyes saw and said, you deserve a lot. We had this so. I couldn't say this such a me that go backward in my life. Cause I live a month be inequity and disease and lie. And people don't even fucking like me. Me left him lighter. Me not lonely no time at all. Me not lonely. Because me carry my car and drive, me can go call Uber and pay the Uber Eats. Me carry me around the blood clot Jamaica. Me not lonely. You have to stand up on your foot and know say, all right then. You've been bandaged and captivated for 12 years. You have to get up. So sometimes Father God sends some people in their life for a reason. I mean, this a one bitch will never throw my stick out when me cross the water. But treasure my stick. You say me use my stick and cross my water, but treasure my stick. Put down on a chuck and say, you know what? Don't burn your bridges behind you. Cause you might turn back again. You can't burn the bridge behind you. You don't reach nowhere in life. You don't reach nowhere in life. And I'm telling you about life. You're up today, you might down tomorrow. Just by a snap. You always have to grateful. Until you be ungrateful, snap. Because when you do somebody come up to you, the worse than that. So life stay. So snap back in a reality and don't throw your stick when you cross the water. You have to be always grateful. And by right them time, I should have listened to my friend. I left the boy because the boy chopped me, me lose my hand. And my friend said, left him, June, left him. You don't know, left the boy, I don't want to hear nothing. I call him, I said, I don't want to hear nothing, I don't. When I call him, I said to the boy, beat out my blood. He said, I don't want to hear nothing, I don't want to hear. I said, why? Because I'm tired to tell you, left the fucking man, you idiot. My girl, I don't want to hear about that. I said, why? Because I'm tired to tell me if I left that man till him tired. Ask him. I want to name my talk about it. Because me as my daddy, I want to time I say, me I try to keep because I never grow with a family. Me grow with my granny. My mother, when me I grow, my mother and my father were not together. Me grow with my father, mother. Me always see my mother to know the history. So when she come over, I'm going to try to do the more to know the history. Me and Toto are family friend. We're like family. You know, from we are 30, we grow closer, we are 30, we have bond, we have history. Nothing can break it. Him know every blood clot thing. Him know my mother like my mother never grow me. So I tell me call my friend, I say boyfriend, the boy beat out my nasty blood clot. I'm a friend from me at 13. Beat out my nasty blood clot, I don't want to hear. I say why I'm saying become a tie for tell you. Leave him. What is wrong with the girl? So you got to Yeah, the last thing him said to me, say, you gotta wait until this man kill you. Don't want to lose a friend, me not gonna funeral. See you, mama. You can't let me something, I can't see you. Blood clot. See you come lend me something out of the package. You pack up lend me, if I even want Twilight Zone. See you lend me one. See, yes, see you remember one midnight, where I call it the CEO. One midnight. No, I don't want to say apostle, that's not even the word. One midnight missile. Let me something see you. I'm a day, I'm a say, you really gonna make the boy like I'm gonna say, you're gonna make the boy like analyze you. You deserve better, not do you not ugly. Get up, wake up and shake up. And then when we done the last half, I realize say me sit down every day and value some people that don't value me. Trust is everything to me, and if I can't trust you, I can't be around you. I want to make me fear for trust in a life, me don't want you around me. Because what? It's so when you don't trust a person, you don't know when they're lying or when they tell the truth. I'm gonna like liar. They say if you tell me something and I lie, but I better you come tell me, say, God damn it. That is just the truth. Do all it and not say blood clot. Then the world can't be cold so for the truth. The old me don't know about the world. Me cannot be a cold-hearted person if a boy tell me the truth. Lied. And when a person lie, they cannot be trusted. And if I ask you if you do something, you said no. And I sit and I see that you do it and you lie. I don't want you. Don't want you. To do what? Me I got a quote. All is said and done, me I got a quote. The man when me I got a quote and me and yellow I got a quote. Akim come people when I run about come couldn't tell the problem. Akim me say Akim wake up the morning. When I call Akim after 7, Akim say, babes, me soon come. I may have quote about 10 o'clock and Akim reach my foot 8 o'clock on the dot. Reach my foot and we are going Juke Street. Right? And at the end of the day, which is night, the morning me wake up and that man is upon somebody live. And I said to him, say, they upon live, him say no. I said, so somebody call me and tell me, say, let me hear advice my life and you see your face and the things. And him say, no, upon a blood clot live. I'm going to go out and come back and hear the verdict and hold my composure because I know something about the life, bro. And they won't fight about what belongs to you, you always. What belongs to you, you always have to get it. Just pray and trust and believe. Somebody sent me the screen card, me and munch it up on the blood clot phone. And they say it break. They say it break. Me and munch it up on the blood clot and they say it break. When I send munch the screen card, I'm say munchy. And this man vice upon live and the man tell me somebody upon the blood clot live. And they say it down for Bakawa. Me ask you, if they upon live, you tell me no. That means say every fucking thing we would have do in the past years is just a fucking lie. I say never, you're looking at me 2 years, I'm saying the day. And I use this with proof. Me have to leave. Me left. No man make me left, me have to left. Oh. You have to leave them people behind their work. Chat, you can't look past something and say you this and you gonna say no. And when you check a sack you have to leave them people behind you. Because he said, if you're a liar, I cannot trust you because I don't know when you are telling the truth. Really, Queen. Really, if you're a liar, I don't know when you're telling the truth, so we cannot be together. When I look at somebody call me from my phone and tell me say they're on live with the people, you tell me say I lie. I say no way yourself. I'm gonna tell myself, I say if I lie, we don't have my relationship. It's if I lie, them I tell pa your mother have my relationship up until today. But if I true, you have to blood clot leave. And so I see the screen card, them time that him and me and Skyline me upon the live and I go up that pan. All live me upon a live me upon. Me chat. And when the woman say him say, when the woman say him say so, kawa. The fact that I tell me say you're not upon a live, you're not upon a live, you're not upon it, that means say everything what you say it. Me? I got Airbnb with Diamond, I look back. Yeah, I'm come hustle and pay for extra Airbnb. I mean, I just did that rank. You know why you around me? I don't need done. I don't need done with you. And I me walk with car. Me walk with you. Get rid of you from road because you're liar. I mean, I want to lie around me because I don't leave myself around lies. If me fuck out, me fuck out. If me suck good, me suck good. If my body bust up, it bust up. If me a stink, me a stink. If me can't cook, me can't cook. If me can't wash, me can't wash. If me hungry, me broke, me broke. If me not have it, me not have it. Me not leave myself around lies. Me not walk and tell lie. Me a big woman. Sometimes if me say something to a person and ask me a question, sometimes I just say no. Because when I say something to a person, when I say something to a person and them say back to somebody, you know, so you know who you tell, you just say no. I just keep it flowing, kawa. You know, say, you know the snake from the pack. And me no want them, me say, she say argument. Somebody say no, I just let go the argument. But me no walk and tell, like, I'm going to say, you care about my blood clot name. Me no an argument with you. Anything when I say me can't own, then the fucking thing me do in life, me can't own it. And I when me say use against me in a blood clot courthouse by TikTok, I'm a hold it, come, you know, me say it. Oh. I'm a beer and stuff on my consequence, I'm a ball and roll. I hold my composure. See you in the motherfucking building. Me have to leave. Cause sometimes in life, good, better, best out there. I wanna stuck with a person from old thing long and it ends down move. Shake up a follow around and go with somebody else where you say you're gonna make it better. Me and nobody in a competition for nothing. When I see you there with a person, it now make you see there with a person, you meet a person, you're there with a person and you're stagnant like dirty water was settle. And you meet a person and them take up the broom and sweep up the water and the water run and then you have to stick to. This is one man me stick to, you blind. See ya. See there. You blind? You blind? You don't see it? You must blood clad see it. You don't see it? You don't see it? Right, that's all. We don't want to stagnant dirty water for me at 2026. We don't want to stagnant. We don't want to stagnant dirty water for me. I want to be a pot of gold and then be the luck of the Irish. Me want to be a pot of gold and then be the luck of the Irish. Me don't want to stagnant dirty water from blood clot me. Me not have no good memory of my ex, so me no in an argument over here. Me not have no good moment of my ex, so me no have no good moment. 12 years what I beaten, lick, fuck pan, suck pan, bite pan and chew pan. Bust up mouth, bust up yaso, chop up, tab up. Hungry, naked, dirty foot, now I'm not clothes. Sleep ground. Barefoot. Batteration. Me not have no memory, me can't sit long and say blood clot. You know, say bad to bad. We could have reminisced back on one memory and say, boy, me not telling a lie. When me and a give me this, I want me do this and me do that. Me not have no good memory of blood clot that. And then me sit down to my blood clots if I rethink about my ex. Hear my mind, they must say pussy clot mad. Try to one time me blood clot in my house when I never see you. And hear me to myself, no? Blood clot. Me sir, me left rotten throat. Come on, no one call her name. Me sir, me left rotten throat. They hear my common sense. You see if you have a blood clot. You say, I idiot. You're sorry, left that. Me say, chat. Me say, hey, my mind come like wandering spirit, you know. Hear my mind to me, no? Why? Me sorry, me left rotten throat. Hear my next mind. You're sorry you left that? Come like you fool in the blood. You hear that? You hear me, no? Alright, lefty. What? Me said, chat, when it comes to my blood clot mind. Because sometimes when you deal with a man long, you left them, sometimes you get a reflect back on something. So me always have a thing back in my head, say, what the fuck you are really go back to? Tell me, come on, no. Explain to me. I'm going to say, all right. Because the body works with the mind, and the whole way are human being, we are woman. Sometimes you think back, you think, I just think you think. And then you correspond with the mind. It has nothing to do with it. It have nothing to do with madness, and it have nothing to do with no mental nothing. You might just flash by something, you remember something, and then a person that might say something to you. Because they screen the card and talk about madness. Me say me the one day me dem house to Ross. And me said to myself, then blood clot. Then me not sorry, so me left rotten throat. Hear my mind to me, you must say blood clot, mad. Where sorry you left? Beaten? Disrespect, fuck pan? That's sorry you left? Me say, alright, no bother. Me take the quickest come up on my mind. And every blood clot time my mind reflect back. Anytime my mind wander, I'm start rethink back certain things. I want to my mind tell me what the blood clot you go back to. Beaten and fuck pan, you idiot. I just come off of my mind. Me glad me meet Hakeem. Yeah. And sometimes when they do some boy, them salt in the blood clot and salt up all your hole. I walk and fuck one hole of blood clot. Whore, dog shit. And throw off your pH balance. Cause when a man a fuck, all 3, 5, 4, 6 girl and a fuck them around. And pick up some little waste girl and fuck them around. It make you stink. Cause I throw off your pH balance, cause I fuck them around and come fuck you raw. So them make you stink. Cause them walk and fuck one whole of garbage. Some like a waste blood clot girl. And I raw them, I go raw barber. Throw off your pH balance and make you start to scent. Yeah. Because if a man go fuck a girl, you clean, you know. Remember say you clean in a chat. Thank you, my team. Remember you clean in a chat. Remember say in a chat you clean, you know. Remember say you want clean blood clot, girl, and you want clean blood clot, girl, you know. Cause you know fuck you. And I want man to keep it. Cause when me I keep man, I want man to keep. Unless they give me a route to have 2 and 3 and 4, man. I care where you give me come so long and blood clot chat. And that's the kind of vibes I'm like spice up here. Can work me there. I want man to keep it at a time. I'm afraid of AIDS. And I meet a boy tomorrow and say no condom. Me not go back to the dog in you. I want man to keep it at a time. See, when I meet a boy, and him say no condom. I say no, go on. Now care me come and talk about man and this and we and tea and blah. I'm just there, so I just we just do the things that we know the girl them like. And me and them ban. Laughter is an entertainers. But me I fuck me keep one man at a time. Me not make my man straight from who me like love. I like. And you want to make my mind straight from you. All of me your friend. And you make my mind straight. Me not make my mind straight. Me not think about other people. He said, me and a boy a fuck, me and him there. I want him for real. I want him for real. I saw me stay. I'm not care what nobody else wants to say about him. I saw me tan. Me not fucky. Certain circumstances, sometimes it will involve kids and something, I will do it. But otherwise, so that me keep myself to myself. Because when I have 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 man, and then when I look at hungry man, no make no sense. So that's why I stay to 1 hungry man. I can't take 3, 5 or 10 hungry man. Me hungry, I take 10 more hungry man. Where me I go? When me breed my 2 people, I know who breed me because I walk on fucky. If you're a man, when no same woman there, me yard now walk on fucky. And you walk on fucky. And you made the woman stink. And you fuck she fuck 50 man last night, you go fuck her without condom and she suck your own. Then tomorrow you fuck her next girl. And them the stinking girl to a fair pH balance. Make you start smell. Come on, discharge in them and make them turn crosses. And some man discharge stink. And you pick that up on your hooded. And can't come give your woman. And fear a clean hole. So you stink up your blood clot, woman. Yeah. I mean, it's an in general statement. We not talk about wrong throat. It's an in general statement. Because I don't like, when screen a card, I don't like right people name. I not talk about in general, I talk about my team. When you have a man but walk and fuck be a maggot, rodent and roach, it makes your pH balance show off and make you scent because they don't use boots. Worse if you have a man as in putting the mouth. Worse if you have a man as the wood come out of the girl mouth, they pushing her hole, the boots not go use. I remember she fucky, a man coming and she. And then tomorrow move on to the next. And I say I walk when I move on to the next and them nah use a condom. It makes you smell. Tap fuck him and say everybody no come back to. Your body can't come back to you, stop fuck him. Tap fuck him and say everybody no come right back to. Your pH balance settle. Your coochie more cleaner than ever. Tap fuck him and you see. And that's why some of the girl them, when the man walk and fuck all type of rectibate, them left them a car. You make me smell tap, all the discharge smell funny. If you know your body, with all of your woman. If you know the body, all the discharge smell away. Because you have one bag of careless waste girl you fuck. And you not fuck nobody. And the moment when you do that, remember you know, man a man. But man for a girl right tonight in a doctor. He walk and come in and she fuck a man. She fuck the man them coming her. She fuck one next man them coming her. And so she walk and fuck rah. And then you fuck her. So all of them the germs if I'm other man reach on upon you. Cause some man smelling Trot. All you hear some of the man them over there blood. All you hear some of the man them a chop off them about stinking pussy girl. Or stinking girl. I'm never take out that. You never smell a cheese wood yet? Someone never smell a thinking man yet? I mean thinking man. When them take off them blood clot and upon no one kick them out on the blood clot house. Yeah. And them you remember I know. That mean no experience. God favor, you no experience, fuck it. I'm not talking about you because you're a Christian. As a nurse, I can tell you. See, call it a tell you there. As them stink. No matter what woman stink, a man stink up woman. Man stink up woman. Because pussy clean itself. A man stink up woman. A man make woman stink. Man make woman stink, man. Because if I'm going out because I'm going to some story. A man stink up woman. Check the ratio. You fuck a man, you fuck your man last night. Your man got bed last night, the condom bus. The top part of the condom bus up in you. And you don't know. Him take out the condom and don't see the top part. Remember in a chat. Your man a grind and the condom bus. But the top part of the condom bus in you. Him know the condom bus and take out the condom. And I realize that the top part is nowhere to be found. You say by tomorrow morning, you're bed, you're going to see drop out of you. More of them tell me say I lie, me I tell. A man stink up woman. Me say yeah man a grind. And the top part of the condom bust off in a you. And the man can't find it. He said tomorrow man when you are bed, or by tomorrow man evening when you wash your crotches, you see it fly out. A man stink up woman. The stinkest stink for a man that them hooded. Sometimes when a man take off him blood clot and a man say wanna run. And then the skin over them body yet. A man stink up woman. Man stink the blood clot. Man stink more than woman can pussy clean itself. So someone know a mascot. Me look for a masquerade, you know. You can't turn it in a mascot. Snap cheese stink. Yeah. Bakawa. Smell your crotches when they're not. Smell your crotches. Especially when they're not circumcised. Smell your crotches when they're not fucking and smell your crotches. When they're not fucking, smell your crotches. And smell it when you're fucking. Some of them and them discharge me raw. Sure. That's why I know how some girl swallow cum. Me couldn't do it, you know. Me. A girl will have her man. And I'm a grind her. Who have all every discharge and her paint balance chew off. I want you to stop have man at the freshest part of her pussy. Her pussy come right back too. Collect me now ask you, I tell you. So a man stink. His man stink. Woman can't stink. Don't know where a girl stink if she have one bad infection. And she have one bad infection where she want to get rid of and half a man get it. A man make woman stink. Yeah, man make woman stink, man. Take off some blood clot, boy, when you look. Man come here and say, my God, and him take off him underpants. You know, man, I got blood clot bed. I want to look him take off him blood clot underpants. You know, man, I got bed and take off him underpants. I get up on the bed, yes. You know, man, I go fuck. And him say him beard, him take off him underpants. Remember, you know, man, I go fuck and him say him beard, him come to your house, you know, man, go fuck. And they pay your bed, him take off him underpants. Alright. But him pay your bed, you stay smell him stinking out. I'm saying beard. Remember what the trick, a man make woman stink. Pussy clean itself. Yeah. And that's what them say, pussy cleaner than mouth, because mouth full of bacteria. Yeah. And down there, very delicate and sensitive. Down there, very delicate and very sensitive. Because if a person eat your crotches and them have gingerbread in their mouth, you gotta catch it in your hole and you gotta start scratch till it's sore. Don't make them trick you. The pussy cleaner than mouth at all times. And I pussy that. The cleanest part of a woman of them pussy. A man stink it up. May I tell you? Enter a man in your hole. Make a man suck a girl pussy now. And the mouth full of pure cholera. She dig from now till a morning. She just a scratch so. And the more it scratch and she scratch, it irritate and it's sore. Because when the pussy scratch and easy for blister and sore. Easy for sore. And when it's sore, you're under pain. Easy for sore, especially a clean. Easy for sore. Easy for sore. Somebody about the trick, you know, in the world. A man make woman stink. The cleanest thing for you up on a body are your pussy. The only way a pussy will stink out when the pH balance throw off, I have a bad infection. We have long time. Sore. Sore. You know some more gingivitis, mouth having gingivitis and the things them. So heads and 100% clean for everyone makawa. Some people not brush them up properly. And heads don't the same thing when a boy I'll give a blow job, make an need to sore and me look at start scratch a man. When they start scratch it sore it up. You forgot that to get some pill. Mouth. Imagine when they deal with a warring, stinking man who walk and fuck around, push him out every blood clot way. In a every type of dirty mouth and every type of dirty pussy. You can't smell right. Imagine. Imagine you there with a man who walk and fuck every dirty slut dog and push them out in a every dirty mouth. And push them out in a every dirty pussy. You can't smell right. You walk a think bomb. Cause some man don't fuck top girl, you know. Some man fuck garbage. As I see, that's a trash bin. As I see that girl, as I see that thinking, as I see that girl has such a stink. Some would think, as I see that stinking girl, that girl is just see that word there. And some man don't go for whore. Them not fuck clean girl. Some man not clean, so them not fuck clean girl. And the day with a man who not fuck clean girl, it gonna always reflect bad pan you. And them not fuck clean. Pay dirty scavenger. Well, look what comes at the earth. Chankro. But nevertheless, shot. So we can get 3 more K. I left at 650. See you enter the chat. Some man for clean girl. Pay dirty girl. We can get 3K. Total left at 650. I for clean girl. Pay dirty sore all over. All tabat. Yeah. I mean, I'm telling this strat. It's when a woman starts to smell, she know. And the scent fly up in her face, so. Collect minis. I want 2 more K. Fuck all at Beachwood Avenue. Trini, yeah. And sometimes I say you know your man a cheat by you. Your body change up. Your body change up. All the period cycle change. We don't know when the time come. We don't have to explain. The other people know what me I talk about. That's the main reason we need that people. When the man a fuck for you know, it change all the cycle. Your cycle change. Your pH balance show off. And you know, so I fuck somebody. And that somebody when I fuck is dirty. So all of them clues. You know no clue. Clues. All the period cycle change. All the cycle your period change time I fuck by you. So me is a well experienced or me is a well experienced girl. Nobody not tell me nothing. Somebody look on some people when them talk. When a man a fuck by you change your cycle and make your pH balance show off. You see period all the 10th. You see period all 10th of last month. All the month I come it come all 28th. I see what cause that you ma fuck by you. Change everything. When the pH balance throw off, your cycle throw away, everything just dash away. Everything stop unbalance. And you fuck some look thinking girls, everything think. Worse when a raw. And the human body is so sensitive. I wish I knew in life. You can't know me, Trini. Hello. And the human body is so sensitive. So sometimes you think I don't know, I know. Just hold the composure. Thank you, my team. When you think I don't know, I just know. When you think I don't know, I know. When you think I don't know, I know a lot. Sometimes I just hold my composure. See you. A long time that man a fuck for me. So I know a lot of signs when me say I just hold my composure. And then when I time my cycle change for me, I say, oh, my cycle I change every minute so. I mean I fuck the body. Every minute it blood clot change. I since recently I have a steady cycle. Every minute it change. Because when you have a period, sometimes it come 3 days before and 3 days after. Sometimes I 6 day way down, 12 day way down. I say, what kind of judgment this? I mean I fuck dirty man raw. I mash up myself. But nevertheless, I live to learn. Nevertheless, shot, I live to learn. Go check back my phone. No, for true. Nevertheless. Nevertheless, shot, we all live to learn. Life is a learning process. We live to learn, bubbles. Life is a learning process. We have to live to learn. And not learn to live, but live to learn. So, the chart, I don't know where I'm with it. I have one, but 117 is going to fight to our man. I'm unboxing them for doing a chat. Oh, I forgot to me that go be name there now. Chat are tired. See them there? Are tired. I can't bother with them there. I can't bother brass clots. See them there. See them there. Me not have them time there. I don't have any them time to chat. Tomorrow I wake up, well, I go up on the road early. I tied up my place before I got my bed.